Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dope Tech. This is me, Addy, and today we'll be talking about best laptops under $500. These days we have wide variety of laptops, different kind of laptops, and come on, let's be serious, let's be real. We cannot just invest $1,000 to $3,000 in gaming laptops just to satisfy our basic needs like working on WordPad and writing down assignments. So laptops that we're talking about are the ones that are under $500, I guess, and we're not really talking about gaming, to be honest, okay? So let's just get that clear, let's just get that straight. The first on the list is Acer Aspire E15, and for just under $400, the Acer Aspire E15 can rock your world with a powerful 8th gen i3 processor, plenty of ports, and a subtle premium aesthetic. The specs include CPU 8th generation Core i3 processor and RAM that is 6GB, storage is 1TB, and screen is 15.6 inches. Battery life could go as long as 8 hours and it weighs around 5 pounds. You see, the pros of this laptop is strong performance, lots of ports, so you're not going to run out of ports or anything. You don't have to buy external ports. The battery life's terrific, okay? And it is very affordable with just $400. Come on, it's great, okay? Now the cons is the design is not so good. It's a bulky design and filled with bloatware. The second is HP Stream 11. The Stream 11 is a great choice for kids or adults who need a lightweight PC that could last over 8 hours on charge. It's available in colorful blue or purple. The Stream offers solid performance thanks to a Celeron CPU and 4GB of RAM. Even better, the Stream 11 comes with a free 1-year subscription to Office 365. The other specs include storage that is 32GB and screen that is 11.6 inches. The battery life is 8 hours, of course. The pros that we found out was excellent audio, solid performance, and attractive colorful design. The cons that we found out were narrow viewing angles and warm temperature and sharp front lip. Next in the list is Lenovo IdeaPad 120S 14-inch. For under $300, the IdeaPad 120S offers an attractive design, good performance, and the ability to charge over USB Type-C. This 14-inch system also delivers a brighter display than most budget laptops and solid audio quality for the money. The key specs include Intel Celeron, the RAM is 4GB, storage is 64GB, screen is 14 inches, and battery is 7 hours, and it weighs around 3.2 pounds. The pros that I found are stylish design and USB Type-C charging, solid performance, and cons, washed out screen, goddammit, and poor webcam. The next on the list is Asus VivoBook. Now, the best lightweight laptop that you can get in this price range. Asus VivoBook has a sharp 1080p screen and an alumni lid, two premium features you rarely find in a laptop that costs less than $400. The other specs include Intel Pentium, RAM is 4GB, storage is 128GB, screen is 14 inches, and battery life is up to 8 hours. It weighs around 3.13 pounds, and the pros that I've found is lightweight design with aluminum lid, good port selection, sharp 1080p display, and cons, well, slippery touchpad and low-risk webcam. The next on the list is the Lenovo Flex 611. Lenovo Flex 611 offers strong performance packed in a slim 0.7-inch chassis. This 11-inch 2-in-1 can last more than 9 hours on a charge, perfect for getting you through your workday and then some. The pros are great battery life, sleek design, solid performance, solid keyboard, and the cons are poor display and harsh audio. It also comes with 64GB of storage, USB Type-C, HDMI, and 4-in-1 card reader. The next on the list is Acer Spin 1. At first glance, you might mistake the Acer Spin 1 for a much more expensive laptop. This 11.6-inch convertible sports a premium all-aluminum chassis and one of the brightest and colorful screens you'll find on any system, even those that cost over $1,000. The other specs include CPU that is Intel Celeron N3350, and the RAM is 4GB, storage is 32GB, screen is 11.6 inches, and battery life could go up to, well, 6 hours only, I'm sorry. So the price that we found out was it's sharp and colorful display, it's a big win-win, attractive metal chassis and comfortable keyboard. The cons are below average battery life and small storage device. That's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. If you haven't subscribed, this is the time. You gotta go and click the red button and like the video, and please comment down below anything that you want to talk about. Like, how was your day? How's your pet dog doing? How's your girl crush going on? And anything that you want to talk about, even laptop, anything, okay? Anything under the sun. Speaking of sun, man, I gotta open up the windows. My room's so freaking dark. Thank you so much again for watching the video. Please subscribe. Bye. See you next week. Next video. Thanks.